Good morning, Traintails! Fall is my favorite time of year. I love the colors, I love the pumpkins, I just love it. So, today I have a train story for you, and I also have a pumpkin story for you. So let's get started. This is Monster Trains. By Nick Gordon. Trains can have hundreds of cars. Some trains are a mile long. Their powerful locomotives pull heavy loads. Wow, look at that whistle. Trains zip along tracks at fast speeds. Freight trains carry the heaviest loads. These trains often move coal or iron ore. Wonder what that's for. Passenger trains move along long railways. Some travel thousands of miles. The Trans-Suburban Railway is the longest in the world. That would be an awful pretty ride. Some trains race at high speeds. They are called bullet trains. Faster than a speeding bullet. The Ice 3 is a bullet train. It travels over 185 miles per hour. That's 300 kilometers. The end. Whoa, that was a really fast train. Now, let's read Pick a Perfect Pumpkin, Learning About Pumpkin Harvest by Robin Koontz. The autumn air feels cool and colorful leaves blow in the breeze. Hold on to your hat. It almost blew away. Rows of pumpkins glow under a blue sky. Pumpkin harvest time is here. I want a big pumpkin this year. I want a small one. Pumpkins probably first grew in North America. Now they're grown all around the world. Welcome to our pumpkin farm. Did you grow all these? Whoa, that's a lot of pumpkins. Pumpkin seeds are planted in spring, and soon sprouts shoot up through the ground. The sprouts grow into long vines, and the vines flower. Pumpkins grow from those flowers. That one will make a great jack-o'-lantern or perfect pie for Thanksgiving. A pumpkin has lots of seeds inside. Because it has seeds, a pumpkin is a fruit. I didn't know that. I do like to eat the seeds after they're roasted. Don't like them when they're gooey. Pumpkins turn colors as they grow. They can be orange, green, yellow, or white. Some are even red or blue. I've never seen a blue one. How about a red one? Pumpkins come in many shapes and sizes. Some pumpkins can weigh as much as a cow. Is this one big enough for you? Whoa. A ripe pumpkin's color is bold. It sounds hollow when your fingers tap it. Once picked, pumpkin should be stored in a cool, dry place. This one's really heavy. Don't carry heavy pumpkins by the stem because they'll break off. Pumpkins are used to make bread and soup. They're also used to make pumpkin pie. 2 pieces of pumpkin pie, please. With whipped cream, please. People carve scary faces in pumpkins. The jack-o'-lanterns shine bright on Halloween night. This little one can sit on our table, but this one's going on the front step. The end. Yay! I just love fall. I'm sure I'll be reading some more fall fun favorites. Favorite fall fun? See you next time.